I'm Chad Hemmeline. I'm a MediaTech grad of '05, and I'm Area Director of Venues at PSAV. So I was originally born in Dallas. I was the youngest of three. My brother and sister are 7 and 9 years older than me, so I was quite a bit younger. I had this old cassette recorder, and so I would record songs playing and myself singing to them. It was the thing in the house that didn't care how old I was. It was, I could relate to it, I understood it, I could control it. It kind of sparked an interest in that. That stuck with me pretty much. I played in a band, like a rock band on the side, right when I got to high school, but I played in the middle school band, the high school marching band, did all that. Was pretty big part of my life. I was really into it. And I found MediaTech, which at the time was called Dallas Sound Labs. They asked me, what do you want to do with this education? And what I really wanted to do was just create. When I went over there, it was awesome. It felt like I was that kid playing with this stuff, except I've got all these experts that are kind of helping guide me, and I kind of fell back in love with it. If I would have tried to go out in the field, the amount of time I would have spent before I got hands on a Neve, a solid state console, which at the time in SSL was like insane, kind of still is. I did all that in a year and a half, 2 years. If I had been working full-time in the field from then to now, I probably wouldn't have done any of those things. It's such a great launching pad. I would not have been successful if I hadn't gone. So when we finished up with school, I was like, what do I do? I'd been waiting tables, and the first two jobs I got was I interned at a recording studio, and I found this company that was based out of Austin. And what they primarily did was outdoor movies, but occasionally they would do outdoor events using their video technology and concerts and things like that. But I hit a ceiling. So I meet this guy, and he's and we need audio guys. So after a few months, I finally got an interview and got the job and started as a technician. So I came in and I was setting up projectors and taping down cables and very manual physical work. And then kind of worked my way into a management position. My official title with PSAV is Area Director of Venues. I have a home location, which is the Renaissance Dallas. It's my job to make sure that our sales team is contacting clients, understanding their technical need, what they're trying to achieve with their meeting, and then offer creative solutions to be able to do those. And then my operations team is kind of consulting on that to say, yes, we can do that. You need to, as far as like what things are going to cost, if we need to get anything specialty in. And that's really where my job is to make sure those two things are happening. Every job I've ever had has told me, we promote from within. Our regional vice president for Dallas-Fort Worth started as a technician. Our divisional vice president, who handles about 1/4 of the country, started as a technician. The company is always asking, what more can you do for us? Hey, what more can we do for you? Here you go. And they come through. We have to be organic in the way that we manage our careers. What I really wanted to do was just create, right? Help people create. And then whenever I got actually out into the field, I found myself being this people manager, and I'm in technology. I'm in a field that I love. I painted myself in a position where I can provide for my family, still get to do the things I love. I can definitely say that I'm very satisfied in where it's got me.